Okay guys, so the sunset today in Riyadh was quite golden and as you can see, and right now I'm gonna drive back, commute back home and just tag along with me. Okay guys, so your brother is leaving from work and well, I think you people deserve to see a clean windscreen. I'm gonna brush the windscreen and then improve the focus of the camera. Okay, and now we are gonna continue. Might zoom out a bit to give you a better POV angle. The road is kind of bumpy, and I think the camera holder, it's also shaking a lot. Anyways, these are the scenes right now. As we go on to the bigger roads, it won't shake that much. We have to be very careful at these crossings. Usually people are coming in their flow in speed, so one has to take care of this. I think I might have to try to put this camera up there again to see if it doesn't give that much of a swing. We will stop at the next traffic light. Right now I'm driving this Shenzhen Edo 2025 and it's almost post sunset here in Riyadh. The sunset was actually really good. You can still see the traces of that sunset, orange sunset in the skyline. But the main sunset, it's gone for now. Okay, so usually if you come onto this right lane, you are supposed to take a right turn, but anyways we have a lot of cars in front of us that want to go straight, so the right is blocked anyway. We'll just continue straight. There was a time when I used to walk on this road to the bus stop to take the bus. The bus stop is coming up ahead on the right, and the next traffic light is also green now. Oh, it turned red, so we will not be able to make it, so just better to stop it. There was someone who just went from there. Anyways, we'll let the lady cross. Obviously it's her right because it's red light on the street. And let me, so now I hope you guys will be able to see the road better and there wouldn't be that much of a jerk in the camera compared to before, or it's the same, I'm not sure, but don't mind that guys, really I tried. So I don't know why this camera is shaking a lot today. I might have to fix the camera stand later, this camera holder later. Again we are on a red light. It's a Thursday, it's a Saturday evening here in Riyadh. And if you are watching till here, let me know in the comments how you came across the channel, from some suggestions, recommendations, or you searched up Riyadh, you searched up some location in Riyadh. I would be like really interested in knowing how you came to know about the channel. So right now the other people are going. Today there's not much zahma, there's not much rush because obviously it's a Saturday evening, but at night there will be some rush because people will be coming out on the streets to have a good time, because for many people it's still a weekend and let's hope everyone has a great time. And if you are watching this video, I hope you are in the best of your moods, your health, and also enjoying your weekend. Okay, so we'll just sit over here till the traffic light turns green. It's taking much time. Okay. Maybe it might turn green right now. Not sure. 3, 2, 1. No. No. Still, there's a lot of wait. Listen. Okay, yeah, now it will turn green. Now it will turn green. Come on, come on. Yes. And here we go.